Hi everyone, welcome to this easy crochet tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to do a double crochet. So here I have my chain that I made from slip stitches in video number 2, and I'm going to find my third stitch, which that will be 1, 2, 3, and that is the first stitch that I'm going to work with today because this double crochet takes up more space than some of the other stitches. So I'm going to loop my yarn over my hook there, put my hook through that third stitch. So now I have 3 loops. I'm going to hook it over again, pull it through 1. So now I still have 3 loops. I'm going to pull it through 2, and I'm going to pull it through 2. Once again, we loop our yarn, we poke it through our stitch there. So now we have 3 loops. We loop our yarn again, pull it through 1, still have 3 loops. Loop our yarn, pull it through 2, 2 loops, pull it through a second time, and now we're done. Once more, we loop it, push it through that stitch, loop it again, pull it through 1, loop it, pull it through 2, loop it, pull it through 2. One last time, loop the yarn, push the hook through the stitch, loop the yarn, pull it through 1, loop it, pull it through 2, loop it, pull it through the last 2. And that is the double crochet.